Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis over the past few days, so that is where the red and green line annotations were coming from. Unfortunately, though, it's looking like there is no true power behind anything, and in trading jargon, just simply a dead cat bounce. Because you got to give credit where credit's due, from where it was at these lows to where it ultimately worked its way up to. I mean, that was a very, very impressive movement. I mean, you can't deny that. But the entire time, as I've talked about in past videos, it also always boiled back to the question of, yeah, but I mean, is there any sort of true power behind this? Or is this just a typical, well-known dead cat bounce type setup? And after today, we got our answer. It was completely a dead cat bounce. What gives me the right to say that? Well, I mean, you look at where the price is right now, and it is quite literally, essentially, right back to where it all began. Meaning the price made a fantastic move to the upside, and all of a sudden has gone right back to where it was. And, that's just not any sort of sign of true power or anything like that. So in my mind, that is why I would just simply call this a dead cat bounce. Now, sure, the price could, at some point recover back around. But as of right now, as far as the price movement is concerned, it just isn't simply any sort of, bullishness anymore as the chart stands right now. Now, if there are any other bounces according to the upside, first key level resistance that'll need to be paid attention to, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into today, that 11-cent mark was the key area of support. But now that the price is broken down below it, that would be considered an area of resistance. So like I said, if the price does bounce, 11 cents is going to be that main area to keep a close eye on moving forward. And then if the price can get above there, that would definitely be a situation where you could see some good upside potential. Now, I'm not saying it's going to shoot straight up to the 0.118 mark, but there's certainly some wiggle room there on the chart. But as of right now, top priority is definitely right now just stabilizing out and then turning around. So we'll see what happens with it as it continues. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.